Hello there, welcome back to the Chef T for Tochukwu. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you enjoyed the quick and easy recipe you are about to watch. Are you trying to lose weight but craving pizza? Well, I'm back with another low calorie video. I'm going to show you how to make low calorie pizza that tastes just like pizza but it's low in calories. So we have bacon, low calories bacon. We have pepperoni. This one is not the low calories pepperoni, but yeah, this pepperoni. And then we have the whole wheat, wholemeal tortilla wrap. And then we have our sauce. I couldn't find pizza sauce, so I went for this one. And low fat cheese. Now let's go. When you put your wrap on a plate, yeah, clean plate, then apply. I said apply. Then you add your sauce. If you can find pizza sauce, they were out of stock, and I was just like, I'm just going to take this one. So I just took the sauce that I saw there. But yeah, if you can find pizza sauce, you should try the pizza sauce for like to have that taste of pizza. But yeah, we're just going to put the pizza sauce around the tortilla wrap. Round, make sure you're generous, make sure it goes round, and don't forget the measurement is always in the description box, including the calories count. So please check the description box. Let me not just be wasting my time. Now we're going to add our low fat cheese. As you can see, sorry it's looking this way, it's because I put it on the scale because I was trying to measure the amount of cheese I was adding. So yeah, that's why it was this side, but I brought it down at the moment. But make sure you just put the cheese around so that the cheese can be everywhere. And remember, it's low fat cheese, so the calories is going to be low and the fat is going to be low. So yeah, that's it. Now this is how it should look like. Make sure you're generous, make sure you take it round, and then you add your bacon. Crispy bacon is bomb. So I made sure mine was crispy, and I just added it at the top for like extra topping aside the pepperoni. And then now we're going to add our pepperoni slices. I also went extra and I decided to also like add pepperoni after adding bacon. And now after 5 minutes in the microwave, this is what it should look like. It's very simple, very easy, and very delicious. I decided to cut a piece and show you guys what it looks like. Please don't forget to check the description box for the calories count. And yeah, I'm going to show you what it looks like in a bit. This is actually nice. It tastes like pizza. I won't lie, it doesn't fill you up like pizza, but obviously it's low calories. Like it's just wrap. One wrap is like 175 calories. So you can imagine that's not going to fill you up. Let's be real. But yeah, this is what it should look like. And guys, I love it. This is one of my favorite go-to meals when I'm craving pizza. So yeah, I hope you try it out, and thank you so much for watching. Bye. If you enjoyed that video, please don't forget to give the video a thumbs up. Don't forget to share with your friends. Tell a friend to tell a friend to you. Tell everybody. Don't forget to comment down below if you will try out the recipe, or if you tried it out and you'd like to let me know. Also, you can contact me on my Instagram page called the Chef T, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more easy quick recipes, and please turn on the notification bell so that anytime I upload a video, if I upload a video, you get it instantly. You just get the notification and you come here and watch the video. Alright guys, thank you so much for joining me here today. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.